What's going on, you guys? Here we are, very first drive in my 2022 Dodge Challenger Scat Pack Widebody. Just turn this down just a bit. Man, oh man, what can I say? I haven't really messed around with any of the settings or anything. I haven't done anything like that yet, but I'm gonna get to it. But for now, we just left the dealership, just pulled out of the parking lot, and we are on our way back home. Oh yeah, that V8, that's just what I've been missing. That is exactly what I've been missing. Now, I'm not gonna go crazy with the car yet. If you're looking for some real crazy driving, that's not gonna be this video, but that will be maybe later on. But for right now, we're just gonna take it easy. We're gonna go nice and smooth. We're gonna break it in. Well, let me open up the sunroof here. Yeah, I got the sunroof. Got the carbon fiber, flat bottom steering wheel. I'm not gonna go everything in this video yet, just mainly because I just really want this to be a first drive. Rides real smooth. You know, it's been like 6 months since I've been in a Challenger. You know, my SXT, I sold that, and it's been a while. Man, it feels good to be back. And this time this is an amazing car. This is an amazing vehicle. You like it? You like it? Got the wide body 305s. It is nice. I haven't even connected my phone or anything yet. Oh, if you notice anything new with this video, I'm doing some real legitimate P.O.V. action right now. Finally pulled the trigger, purchased a GoPro. I think this is the GoPro Hero 10 Black, I believe. So now I can give you guys some really good, crisp POV action. You know, my thing is I always love to, obviously I love to create good content. But I don't want to be a sellout and just create content that I think I'm gonna make this. I don't like making it, but I'm gonna make it because I think other people will like it. I don't want to do that. You know, I want to love what I do and do what I love. So I want to create content that I like, and I love watching POV videos on YouTube of people driving. I love watching those. So I figured, hey, let me just make some of my own. And that's what we're doing. So this is my very first run of trying to make a video like this. I haven't practiced any at all or whatever. So you guys will have to leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think of this kind of format, if you like these videos as well. And let me know how it looks. Let me know if there's anything that I need to adjust. Let me know if there's anything that I need to adjust, because these GoPros have a lot of different settings and options and whatnot, so I just kind of picked what I thought would be most useful. And let me know what you guys think. do you think, Bubby? You liking it? Yeah, he loves cars. And whenever we were at the dealership, we were looking at it. He really likes his car as well. We have to get some window tint. That's the first thing that I want to do. I'm rocking the fishbowl, and I have this silly looking thing on my head. I'm pretty sure people are going to be looking at me funny, but I'm the one out here doing what I love. Yeah, I'm going to have to spend a minute to get all my settings fixed up. I got the 8.4 inch U-Connect now. On my Challenger, I have the 7.1 or 7.2, whatever it is. I don't even have the time set up yet, so I'm gonna have to do that. If you guys have ever wondered what Texas is like, well, looking at it, at least in this part. I live in South Texas, and this is pretty much what it looks like. Big open fields, long stretches of highway. Take good care of this car. You know, I'm saying it now. I'm pretty sure everybody says this when they get cars, but this is one that I want to keep for a while. I want to keep this for a long time. Dare I say, forever. You know, this is my dream car, and I finally got it. And as you can see, I spared no expense. So I'm not going to go real crazy on it right now. Like I said previously, I'm not going to go real crazy on it. I'm not going to beat on it. I want to be gentle on it right now. It's brand new, 24 miles on the dash. It had like 9 miles, but I took it on the test drive and put a few of them on there. Brand spanking new. Gotta break it in. 500 miles, technically 1,500, but they really want you to go 500 before you start beating on it. Man, this is nuts. I don't think you guys are ready for everything I have planned for this. I've got boxes on boxes on boxes of modifications waiting at home, just waiting to go on this baby. And I'm not cheaping out with this build. I didn't cheap out with this car. I'm not cheaping out the modifications. I'm doing it right. I'm doing it legit. So I don't think you guys are ready for what's coming. I'm a huge fan of cruise control. I love it. I love cruise control. Especially, you see, how the roads are out here, you need it. Well guys, I've got another give or take 25 minutes of this, just straight open roads. I don't want to bore you guys too much. Like I said, there's nothing gonna be, it's not gonna be anything crazy on this drive. I'm just gonna take it easy, drive home. So I think I'll go ahead and end the video right here. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys liked this new format. If you did, be sure to let me know with a big thumbs up. Also, be sure to subscribe for new videos every single week. I know I've said that before 100 times, and I've hardly stuck to that, but shoot guys, there's a bunch of crazy stuff coming for this. So please subscribe, please stay tuned. I want you guys to see this. So until my next video, take care and be safe. Peace.